Summary of biotechnology and its applications. Biotechnology has given to humans several useful products by using microbes, plants, animals, and their metabolic machinery. Recombinant DNA technology has made it possible to engineer microbes, plants, and animals such that they have novel capabilities. Genetically modified organisms have been created by using methods other than natural methods to transfer one or more genes from one organism to another, generally using techniques such as recombinant DNA technology. Genetically modified plants have been useful in increasing crop yields, reduce post-harvest losses, and make crops more tolerant of stresses. There are several genetically modified crop plants with improved nutritional value of foods and reduce the reliance of chemical pesticide pest resistant crops. Recombinant DNA technological processes have made immense impact in area of healthcare by enabling mass production of safe and more effective therapeutics. Since the recombinant therapeutics are identical to human protein, they do not induce unwanted immunological responses and are free from risk of infection as was observed in case of similar products isolated from non-human resources. Human insulin is made in bacteria and its structure is absolutely identical to that of the natural molecule. Transgenic animals are also used to understand how genes contribute to the development of disease. By serving as models for human disease such as cancer, cystic fibrosis, rheumatoid arthritis, and Alzheimer's. Gene therapy is the insertion of genes into an individual's cells and tissue to treat disease, especially hereditary diseases. It does so by replacing a defective mutant allele with a functional one or gene targeting, which involves gene amplifications. Viruses that attack their host and introduce their genetic material into the host cell as part of their replication cycle are used as vector to transfer healthy gene or more recently protein portions of gene. The current interest in the manipulation of microbes, plants and animals has raised serious ethical questions. Thank you.